because there's a $10 gift card in here from us, and I just paid her $300 today.
In the gift bag.
From all brought me back from Dallas Market. I owed her $300, and then I realized there's a $10 gift card from the store in here, so I wanted to apply it, and she didn't tell me. So actually, I could have got $10 off the $300 I owe you, but you collected it the whole freaking nut.
Hi, it's Michelle
I'm Shannon,
with Right Next Door Designs, located at 9940 Woodlands Parkway in
the Woodlands.
Texas. But today we're over here at Creative Media Company doing an open house for a brand new location that Krista and her team, and we'll introduce Lauren in a minute, but this is a fabulous, fabulous office space,
Awesome.
video, photo shoot, like entertainment. So we've got 60 something people in there right now, because I was Krista's first client, which she did tell everybody tonight. She did. I'm special. I'm special. But we're excited. So Lauren, hi.
I'm Lauren, Creative Media. I do graphic and web design. I actually created Right Next Door's newest logo.
Yes.
It was so much fun to create. We kind of talked about the overall aesthetic of Right Next Door and where they wanted to go next, and we came up with something pretty awesome.
Are we going 2 doors down, or right another, or left next door, or what? Like,
What you mean?
Where are we going?
What you mean?
Where is the overall aesthetic?
You just
of
gotta
the
go right
company
next
going?
door for everything you need.
That's right.
Wait,
Why not?
Which area? Door.
What you mean?
Well, like there's different doors.
All right, y'all, come on inside. We'll
See
show
new
you the
logo.
party.
There you go.
Perfect for us tonight because Krista just opened this great new space that y'all saw the pictures of tonight. You saw the videos, and I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Girl boss is rocking all day long. So I need to understand what's happening. What's happening here? Because when I met y'all, you had a full-time job.
He was working for BP.
Yep, I work for BP.
You had a boutique.
Boutique, yeah, I had two boutiques. Boutique.
What you mean? What boutique? I don't even know right now. And then you came to me and said,
Hey, let me do your marketing.
and I said, okay,
Yeah, that's
how
pretty
much? I'll write you a check.
She did on the spot.
I
Like, do you want
did.
a contract? And she was like, no, we're good. Just here's money. I was like, okay. So like followed up with a text after. I was like, so I'm gonna do all this. She's like, okay. I was like, all right.
And it was 10 a.m.
It was early.
So I hadn't even
There was no
started
Miller
up.
Lite involved.
There wasn't even any drinking yet.
Free Miller Lite.
Okay, and now where are we?
We're in our office.
Yes.
Justin works with me now. And
I've
always
with,
worked for her.
with,
yeah.
She's
Yeah.
the boss, always has been. Always will
gosh.
be.
right?
And yeah, we just love representing iconic brands.
Yes.
Right Next Door Design.
Oh.
Serving our clients, yes. Kisses to
And I
people.
also did your office. Don't forget.
Our whole house.
Your whole house.
Your whole
I did
house.
your whole house,
Yep.
all your offices.
Yeah.
Our office from home. which
Girls'
is
office,
evolved.
boys' office, girls' rooms, living room, kitchen,
The whole
dining
thing.
room, the whole thing.
You've done it all.
Right.
and it
You know who
is
else she did?
marvelous.
What?
Christine.
Yeah, I know. We're still on camera, but
Oh.
yes, I totally remember.
She's
I
done
saw
it
it
all.
and I was like, that looks amazing. and she was like, that's all Michelle. We'll cut that later.
We got our bloopers.
All right.
I told her.
Okay.
I was like, actually,
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
why is she selling her house?
Oh, I know.